In the ever-evolving world of multicolor 3D printing, we know the biggest hurdles you face. Struggling with an expensive, complex mess of a setup, or foregoing multicolor printing capabilities entirely. We call these the creative bottlenecks.
This is way harder than it looks.
It's unreliable and the multicolor systems cost extra. Not a good deal. It's slow and wastes the amount of filament on purging. Plus, the multicolor system takes up way too much extra space.
Where's a genuine breakthrough that actually changes the game?
Introducing the new standard for entry-level multicolor 3D printing, the Anycubic Kobra X. To print in multicolor, you usually have two choices. Option A, add an external system to a single printhead. Option B, buy a multi-extruder printer. Here's the win-win, seamless four-color switching that saves you time and material without breaking the bank. Kobra X revolutionizes multicolor printing with ACE Gen 2 technology, which packs the multicolor system right inside the printhead. A single Kobra X is equal to a four-color multicolor system, plus a printer.
Multicolor without the extra external hardware? That's a huge headache gone. Is there anything else to sweeten the deal?
Absolutely. We've maxed out efficiency. The cutter is positioned just 35 millimeters from the nozzle to effectively minimize purge waste. This means a four-color dinosaur that takes 15 hours to print now takes only 9 hours or less, with approximately 40% less purge waste. For a machine this unbeatable on value, you expect more.
So, by skipping the external multicolor system, does that give me the freedom to experiment more with multi-material printing?
Exactly. We've cracked the code on mixing hard and soft materials. The adaptive extrusion module senses filament hardness in real time. It effortlessly handles multi-material, multi-hardness printing.
Wow, this is exactly what I've been looking for.
Look, the purge waste and failed prints are killing my productivity. I've heard the Kobra X saves time and material. But, is it actually reliable?
Achieving stable, high-quality prints ultimately hinges on nailing the first layer. To guarantee that perfect first layer, we've introduced massive upgrades with LeviQ 3.0, the X, Y, Z axis repeat precision, and optimized heat conductor wire routing create a solid foundation for your every print. Plus, active flow dynamic calibration and vibration compensation guarantee crisp and refined surface details. So let's go back to that idea, the new standard for entry-level 3D printers. Why does the Kobra X own that title? Because it's truly for everyone. We built the Kobra X with a zero learning curve philosophy. No extra hardware to buy and no complex setup, all while being powerful, consistent, and delivering unbeatable value.
Incredible!
For advanced users, Kobra X rewrites your 3D printing experience.
This is innovation.
For farmers, the Kobra X slashes print times, crushes operational costs, and maximizes your workspace with its compact footprint.
It is my ultimate tool for the job.
Kobra X isn't just a printer, it's Anycubic's commitment to you. It's an effortless, rock-solid, and hyper-efficient powerhouse designed for every creator, from beginners to the pros.